Okay, so I just acquired some LIDL batteries. They're the PARKSIDE range, 4 amp hours, and yeah, for £22 and not too bad. Here's the inside of one. Now the cells are branded PARKSIDE. We all know PARKSIDE didn't make the cells. See, they're INR, which means they're quite high drains, being tall batteries, 2000 milliamps each, hence 4 amp hour. All the charging circuitry is in the battery. So in theory, I could wire these in series with an adapter and simply run them as an e-bike battery. Now of course you're going to damage the MOSFETs if you do overcurrent the damn thing, so you've got to be a bit careful in that respect. But as long as you don't overcurrent the thing, you're pretty good. So I mean, there's 10 cells in here. It's about £2 a cell, roughly, a bit over £2 a cell. But hey, that's not bad. They're INR cells, so decent quality 18650s. And I mean, more than likely, I'm going to be able to use them as is. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it connected to plugs in here, or if I'm going to be able to solder some leads on XT90 connector and have it coming out the back. I can series and parallel them as I please. Obviously, I'm going to have to use the original charger if I want to make sure they're charged properly and all that kind of stuff, because it's balancing circuitry in here. But yeah, for £22, I think these are going to be pretty good. I just get a couple of chargers as well. Charger is about